For this tutorial, I used the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. Along with the Tribe from Juvia's Place, we're going to be using an emerald green, a metallic green, a gold, and a shimmery orange, and also the Warrior 2 palette, and all I'm using is the black. e.l.f. Felt Tip Eyeliner, and this bronze eyeliner and Mega Protein eyeliner from Wet n Wild Brandy Wine Lip Liner, and this lip oil. Here are the brushes all listed out. Okay, let's begin with the concealer, and I'm just applying it all over the eyelid, per usual. And a little underneath as well. Starting with a medium blending brush into the matte emerald green, patting it on the outer corner. You can go ahead and start with the small blending brush. I don't know why I added this step really. I think I was distracted. But following the same steps with a smaller blending brush, it might be easier. Just applying on the inner and outer corner. And this is the small blending brush I'm talking about. So a smaller blending brush, you can just not use the medium one. I don't know why I used it. And apply on the inner corner. And then work the color. Now with a large blending brush, we're gonna just blend a little bit. Going back into that matte green, dotting again because we just want to apply the color little by little. Now again with the medium, I think I'm using it because I like how it takes up more space. And then blending with the large one. Now with a small detail brush, we're going to go underneath with that same matte emerald green. And inner corner, getting into the areas that are too small for the blending brushes. I'm going into the metallic green with the same small brush, and we're applying this on the inner corner and underneath. Now with a pencil brush, going into the black, we're dotting this on the outer corner, not bringing it out too much, just right there at the edge. Now with a medium shadow brush into the metallic gold, applying this on the center with patting motions. With the same brush into the shimmery orange, we're applying this on the outer edges of the gold, blending with the green. Taking that small blending brush, we're going to blend the corners. Now taking the eyeliner and just making a straight across line close to the lash line, nothing too thick, and not making a wing either. Taking a gel pencil eyeliner in black, and we're going to line that outer corner underneath and all the way in close to the lash line. With a small detail brush into the black, we're going to apply it right on that outer corner to hide the end of the eyeliner. and a little underneath to smoke it out. Taking the small blending brush into the matte green, we're applying more because I really wanted this saturated and dark. Now I'm taking the bronze. You can use a brown or a black to line the waterline. And mascara. Applying on the top lashes and also the bottom. Now taking the lip liner, lining the lips and also filling them in with this color. And applying some lip oil or some lip gloss. And that is it.